What's up, everybody? Back here with Project Hoopty. Of course, you know I'm Eric. This is Cash. We're on our way to the shop. We're about to install some seats for the E46. Currently, all this noise you're hearing is a bad bearing on a $500 Equinox.
Chevy Equinox, boys.
My man bought.
This thing's terrible.
What year is this?
I have no idea. I think 2007, 2010. I really don't know.
And it's got 198,000 miles. It sounds like shit. If you guys get a video after this is made, that means we survived the trip there to the shop and back. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep y'all updated.
We're doing the M Sport seat replacement. Just gotta remove these screws. Alright guys, we got the chair out. Had to turn the camera off for half a second. And then now we're just... I don't think we need that. Not in the sunlight. See, the quality is decent. So we're just pulling out the safety belt.
Stupidly bad design.
Terribly bad design. For those of you complaining about how long this is taking, I'm using one hand, okay? Actually, you hold this for me real quick. We're doing this the ghetto way.
Oh yeah.
All right. Did you get that on recording? You got it. All right, guys. Next part is seatbelt installation. It's pretty easy. We just put this part in. Get the screw in here. We're probably not gonna be able to see this, but it's actually more patience than skill.
Oh, you got patience?
As much as I need for this job. And then, like we discussed earlier, this is gonna take a 16. So I'm just gonna put that in here.
This is my mechanic, guys.
Just crank it in here. Now we gotta make sure it's kind of tight though, because this is what holds your seatbelt in. And last thing you want is seatbelt failure in an accident. The goal is to not get in one, however, they do happen. And see if I installed it right. I did. Okay. Put the seat in. Seat's fully functional, bro. Yeah, the chair reclines, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this.
One seat down, one more to go, guys. We'll be back. All right, let's actually get a quick overview of the shop. Let me turn on the light. So we got the Hummer right here. We're gonna actually be doing some content to it just here in a little bit. We got the Toyota Corolla. Okay, this was an impulse buy, huge mistake, shouldn't have bought it, but it happened, it's here. And then back to the Money Pit Beamer. We still have tons of work to do on this. We just got the wiring harness, as you guys saw in the video I made.
We just had to take a break from her.
Just got to take a break, got really tired of it. I mean, even if it's a money pit, it's still gonna be fun. What else do we got to show?
We've got our beamers outside.
Oh yeah. And then the Z4. And then Eric's E90. E46.